like and subscribe. Donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Hello again, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got a Nissin Ippudo Singapore mashup. This is their Akamaru Hakata Black Garlic Tonkotsu. Yeah. I'm in the mood. This sounds really good. The one I tried yesterday was the I can't remember the name of it, but it was just a regular tonkatsu. It wasn't black garlic oil. 3 minutes on the old button pushy. Yeah. It's Christmas time, as evidenced by the vertical evergreen pretend tree. And yeah, just doing that kind of stuff. And cooking noodles as is necessary at this time of year. Why do I do that now too? I am going to get water ready for the next one. But yeah, I've been having a real blast reviewing all these Nissin Singapore varieties. You may be getting sick of them, but I certainly am not. If I was gonna make a recommendation of something to try, I would say their chili crab is banging. Their salted egg, I'm gonna try the third salted egg today, which is a mala. The hot and spicy, the heat detracted too much from the salted egg flavor, which is like spectacular, and it's from the what do they call it? Irvin's salted egg chips. They also have Irvin's salted egg salmon skin. Kind of got really popular over in Southeast Asia. What else? A lot of companies did a salted egg variety, but I will personally say, of what I've tried as far as salted egg goes, this in Singapore, yeah, good stuff. And what else? The pepper lunch ones are pretty good. I still have other ones to try. Is it Ketong Laksa? I haven't tried that one yet. I'm gonna guess that's gonna be pretty darn good. But yeah, I would say the ones that really stand out to me is the original salted egg and these and the chili crab. Very, very tasty. And there's more chili crab coming because I've got cups to review. What do I have left? I've got that laksa. I've got a cup. And I've got all three of the varieties that I'll have tried of the packs of the salted egg also come in cups. So I'll be doing the cups too. And there we go. All right. Whoa. Come over. We will open the lid together. There we go. Yes. Ouch. Okay. I also want to thank them. You might be like, wow, you're like just doing the cups like this. I'm like, well, yeah. The reason I'm able to do that is the company was kind enough to send me a multi-packs for the pack versions. and 2 cups of each variety, and cups and bowls of each variety, which makes it so I can get one ready behind the scenes for review and then chuck it and then open a freshie when I actually do the show, which I really like to be able to do that, because then you can see the packaging as it should be seen. So thank you very much for that. I think it definitely brings more of a proper imaging of the stuffs, words and things using. Let's see. There is the noodle, and it looks to be the same as last time. The noodle is like got like a hint of a crumble, and it's very, very thin. And the mouthfeel, it's like it stays separate while you're chewing it, but it isn't. It's hard to explain, but it's got a very, very nice mouthfeel. Very good noodle. Again, we have the, I think there's kikuraje mushroom and some other bits. Swelligant. Our broth. Of the two, I'm gonna have to go with I liked the other one better. Barely. I don't know. I think. I tried the other one yesterday. Yesterday I did 3 Nissin Singapore varieties, and it was a 3 5-stars day. People on, person, I should say, on the instant ramen subreddit, on Reddit, were saying, "Oh, are you getting lazy? You've been giving out a lot of 5 stars." It's like, you know, if I like something, I'm just gonna have to go and say I like it and give it the score that I think it deserves. If I don't like it, though, believe me, it's not gonna get a good score. Yeah, but what if they paid you? Like, I don't care if they pay me. Do you realize how many years I've been doing this? Do you think I'm really gonna bow down to coin? You might. I mean, if you do, that's up to you. You can think that. I don't really care. I had a company once say, you know, it would be really, really profitable to you to put us on the top 10 list. I'm like, oh, are you trying to bribe me? I mean, I was direct with them about it. I'm like, you trying to bribe me on it? Oh, no. I'm like, are you sure? Because you're asking for something for me to do, and then you're offering a reward to do it. Oh, no. You misunderstood. You really misunderstood. Okay. I had a company once say they were gonna bring me over to Taiwan, and I was all jazzed. They bought tickets. They were like, "Oh, is your top 10 list about to come out?" Yeah. Did we make it? Unfortunately, no. You're not number 1 spot. They were gonna be on the list. Their product was great. They're like, "Oh, well, we're gonna have to cancel because, you know, we're not number 1." I'm like, "Oh, you were gonna buy me with a wonderful trip to Taiwan?" And I would have loved to go to Taiwan, but I can't do it. I can't do that. I've spent too much time, folks. I've invested way too much time to be a jerk like that. And honestly, no. And then the guy had the nerve. He was all, that's not how things work in Taiwan. You can't just, like, expect to get get a free trip to Taiwan without, you know, it's basically like, we're gonna give this to you because you're gonna do this for us. And it's like, no. No. I also told, there's one thing too, I've had companies be constantly like, so are we going to be on the top 10 list? Are we going to be on it? It's like, don't pressure me. Don't try to get into my head. It's not a place you want to be. This is solid stuff. I like it. I love a good tonkotsu. I'm going to be using this bullet garlic chili crisp because it's good. Oh yeah, that is wonderful. Yeah, bullet garlic chili crisp. And you can get this at oh, where is it? It's not on the jar. Here's what it looks like. It's really good stuff. Ooh, it's got some bite to it too, like a bullet. Oh, I'm looking at another jar. There we go. So if you go to yunhai.shop, that's the website, Yunhai Shop. They got this too. This is a this is a cilantro chili crisp. They got a cilantro, a 5-spice, a mala. They've got that bullet one, and they're all pretty darn good, and they work really well. That one, man. That one's punchy. It's got a very strong punch. But yeah, watch it rotate. Alright, so thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is the third variety of the Irvin Salted Egg Mala collaboration with Nissin Singapore. Says it's spicy. I'm curious if a Szechuan peppercorn style heat is going to work better than just a regular straight pepper heat. I guess we'll see. Man, that bullet stuff is strong. Anyways, not kidding. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.